I'm just delighted to be here this morning. I know you are too. This is going to be a wonderful way to start our joint meeting of ACRT, SCTS, APOR, and the Clinical Research Forum all together. Again, kind of regeneration of our spring meetings of many years ago, but with a completely fresh perspective. And the array of expertise we have on the panel today makes that clear in a way that we never had a full spectrum before for clinical and translational science. I'm Harry Selker, the president of the SCTS, and I'm going to introduce each of the members in just a second. Formally, also, I want to point out my co-moderator here, Garrett Fitzgerald of UPenn. We are lucky enough to have the leaders of the major federal organizations that relate to clinical and translational science here. I have written descriptions of them that I could read here if I had light, but we don't. So, and that's better yet because we want to spend most of our time talking anyway. But I will make some brief introductions. That said, the format we're going to have, just so you'll be familiar, is each speaker will have 20 minutes to speak. Garrett and I will make a comment or two, and then we're going to open it up for questions and answers. So we hope that you'll be thinking about your questions you'd like to pose, because we feel that the idea of bringing together the spectrum of translational research makes a lot of sense. We're going to go in the order of NIH, FDA, and CMS. And we're delighted to have the leaders of each of these organizations with us. First will be Francis Collins, Director of NIH, put there by our president and unanimously supported by Congress, and has been a great leader for it. He had a long history of work in genetics and helping with the genome, leading the genome project, and many contributions from his laboratory, as well as the impact of that overall project. Dr. Peggy Hamburg has been running FDA now for 2 years? Unbelievable. Does it seem that long? Yeah, and has really broadened changed the atmosphere at FDA and also its reach across the approval process. And we're going to hear more about that in just a bit. Oh, that helps. Dawn Berwick, as the head of CMS, has brought a complete new spirit as well to CMS. I saw his mission statement just a couple days ago that was used internally, and if he says something about it, you'll recognize this is not our fathers' or grandfathers' Medicare. And together, this spectrum of biological to agents and devices and to its implementation into the improvement of health of our public is crucial, and these are our leaders. So without further ado, I'd like to ask Francis to start.